gonna do the ghetto version of questions. Okay.
Harry-Jean production.
And the girl's like, where? Who? You been where? With who? For real. Oh, really? That's how you feel? And guys be like, asking all these questions. Asking all these questions. Why you asking all these questions? Making statements. Asking all these questions. Asking all these questions. Asking all these questions. Making statements. Assuming. Ooh. Where you been? How much did you spend? Yeah, I trust you. Now unlock your phone. Who was this? Bitch, why you playing me? That's the same as why you ain't saying me. Trying to get up beneath y'all, so it better me. I ain't trying to get what you're saying to me. Just grab your stuff. Get the duck. Culture with the other girl. That is what how we man. Talking about some Randy weed. She ratchet? That's what our brand goes. And you the father. And thinking that you put walking around with me. But you dumb. You stupid? Hold on, you argue when I'm talking, you better. Hush. Now I like your phone. Let me see your pictures. I'm gonna check your Facebook. And I'm gonna check your tweets. And I bet it tells me this. Who? You been where? A nigga with who? For real. Oh, really? That's how you feel? Asking all these questions. Asking all questions. Why you asking all questions? Making statements. Asking all questions. Asking all questions. Why you asking all questions? Making statements. Assuming. Girl. Why you bugging? Oh, that girl, that is my cousin. You wanna know the truth and how I feel? Got a tweet watching, so I know it's real. Girl, ain't nobody lying to you. I ain't got no secrets. I ain't hiding from you, but you still wanna check my phone and my tweet. Find out who I'm talking to and who I'm trying to meet. But you said you pregnant. It ain't mine. Don't I wrap it up? That's how I know you right. What you think I'm dumb? You think I'm stupid? You think I love you? Do I look like Cupid? Hold on. Let me see your picture. Let me check your Facebook. What's the password to your Twitter? You trying to see him. You want to see him at 7 p.m. this weekend. So he can put all up you. You ain't say. You been with a nigga with who? For real? Oh, really? Oh, that's how he feels? Acting all crazy. Why you acting all crazy? Making statements? Oh, no, acting all crazy. Acting all crazy. Why you acting all crazy? Making statements? Assuming like, coming with me. I will put you on blast. I'ma blow up your phone. I'ma take you everything. You wanna with me? I'ma be on your case. And all up in your phone, on your Facebook, in your tweets. Look at all them pictures like